Hello everyone. Today I am starting chapter alcohols, phenols and ethers. Let's start. Alcohols. Let's talk about alcohols first. Alcohols are the organic compounds whose molecule contain OH group bonded to the carbon atom. For example, like you are seeing this figure where OH group is present and this is bonded to the carbon atom in a molecule. Hydroxyl group can also be present in aromatic compounds, and there are two types of aromatic hydroxy compounds. One is phenols, another is aromatic alcohols. Phenols contain hydroxyl group directly attached to the carbon atom of the benzene ring, whereas aromatic alcohols are those where you will see hydroxyl group is present to the carbon atom and that carbon atom will be further bonded to the carbon atom of benzene ring, or you can say it is present in the side chain of the aromatic ring. Third kind of compounds, ethers. Ethers are the compounds which contain an oxygen atom bonded to two alkyl groups or two aryl groups or one alkyl or one aryl group, like you are seeing here as an example. Ethers are organic oxides. Ether are also considered as the anhydrides of alcohols. Now let's talk about their classification. Alcohols and phenols are classified into mono, di, tri or polyhydric compounds on the basis of 1, 2, 3 or more hydroxyl group present in their molecule. For example, ethanol. In ethanol there is one hydroxyl group, so it is monohydric alcohol. Ethane 1,2-diol, there are two OH groups present, so it is dihydric alcohol. Propane 1,2,3-triol, there are three hydroxyl group or three OH groups, so it is trihydric alcohol. Similarly, in aromatic case, if there is one OH group, monohydric alcohol or phenol. If there are two, dihydric phenol. If there are three, trihydric phenol. So in this way we can classify. Now we will classify monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols used to be classified on the basis of hybridization state of carbon atom to which hydroxyl group is attached. So first category is alcohols containing sp3 carbon atom where OH group is present. So the carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. In these alcohols, OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom of alkyl group. These are further classified as primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols, in which OH group is directly bonded to primary, secondary or tertiary carbon atom respectively. Each of these three types of alcohols can be further classified either as allylic or benzylic if sp3 carbon carrying OH group is further bonded into sp2 carbon atom. Allylic alcohol or benzylic alcohol, we have already learnt allylic group. Allylic group are those groups. In this type of alcohol, you will see the OH group is bonded to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is further bonded to a carbon atom having double covalent bond. This is what you call allylic group. Benzylic is the type of alcohol where you will see OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized atom, which is further bonded to an aromatic ring. It could be primary, it could be secondary, it could be tertiary, depending upon the compound. Second category is alcohols containing sp2 hybridized carbon where OH bond is present. In these alcohols, OH group is attached to sp2 carbon atom, which is a part of carbon-carbon double bond. Like you are seeing example here, CH2 double bond CH, and on to this carbon OH group is bonded, and this carbon is sp2 hybridized, and the compound name is vinyl alcohol. Now classification of ethers. Ethers are classified as symmetrical ethers or unsymmetrical ethers or mixed ethers. Symmetrical ethers are those where you will see both the valency of oxygen is fulfilling by bonding with similar kind of alkyl or aryl group. If you see here symmetrical ether, it is here with this oxygen atom both groups are aryl groups, and with this oxygen atom both groups are methyl groups. So both the alkyl groups or aldehyde are same in a particular ether, that ether would be considered as symmetrical ether or simple ether. If the alkyl groups are different in a compound, or there may be two different aryl groups are attached to oxygen atom, such ethers would be considered as mixed ethers. Now next is nomenclature of alcohol. There are three systems of nomenclature of monohydric alcohols. Number one is common system or trivial names. The common or trivial names of alcohols are obtained by adding word alcohol after the name of alkyl group bonded to OH group. For example, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, and so on. Carbinol system. What has happened in this system, you will see there is a carbon atom which is attached to OH group, and it will be further attached to the alkyl groups. So the compound would be called as methyl carbinol. IUPAC system. According to IUPAC system, alcohols used to be named according to alkanols. Some example you are seeing here. These are the trivial names and these are the IUPAC name of the compounds written over here. For example, CH3OH would be called as methanol and its common name is methyl alcohol. If you are seeing compound number 4, it is secondary butyl alcohol. Its IUPAC name is butane 2-ol, and so on. Nomenclature of phenol. The hydroxyl derivative of benzene is called phenol. IUPAC system name of phenol is benzenol, and the common name of phenol is also accepted by IUPAC now. The common names have prefixes ortho, para, and meta in substituted phenols, and we used to use locant number like 2, 3, 4, etc. to indicate the position of substituent. For example, if you are talking about this compound, this is called phenol or benzenol or phenol in IUPAC and in trivial or common system also. This compound common name is orthocresol and IUPAC name is 2-methyl phenol. Let's talk about these two compounds, these last two compounds. These two compounds, one is fluoroglucinol, which is benzene 1,3,5-triol, and this is pyrogalol, which is benzene 1,2,3-triol. Another compound which we need to give some attention is resorcinol. Resorcinol is benzene 1,3-diol. So these are the some compounds of phenol. Now nomenclature of ether. In the common system of nomenclature, the ether are named by writing name of alkyl group attached to oxygen atom in the alphabetical order and word ether used to be added. For example, CH3OCH3 dimethyl ether. If the compound is CH2CH3 ethyl methyl ether, because E is coming before then M, that is why we are writing ethyl methyl ether. But according to IUPAC system, we used to write name like alkoxy alkane, like the compound would be called as methoxymethane. The second compound would be called as methoxyethane. Right? So this is how we used to do nomenclature of ethers. And some alkoxy groups are like CH3CH2O is ethoxy, CH3CH2CH2O is propoxy or normal propoxy, or other group like CH3CHCH2O is isopropoxy. So this is all about the nomenclature of ethers also. Thank you.